Told her to tell me them pretty lies. Okay, okay, ride, okay, okay, slide, okay, okay. She told me put my pride to the side, okay. Said that she ride, okay, I'll let it slide, okay. Then she proceeded to tell me them pretty lies, okay. I wanna vibe, okay. Said I'm the guy, okay. But I knew that she had other boys to the side, okay. She told me lies, okay. Them pretty lies, okay. I'm in a phantom, I'm parked up, I'm right outside, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. That was like low energy, huh? Alright, hey y'all, it's your girl Kadeja Corinne. Welcome back to my channel. Hi. Video bombed. Say hi and get out. We're getting copyrighted. You got that thing on. Bye.
So today we are getting some professional individual eyelashes at home for yourself for under $20. I got this iEnvy by Kiss. This is the individual lashes. They're in long. Okay, it's a 4-pack. Ultra long. Oh, y'all see my nails? Y'all see me being extra because my nails are all done. Okay, yeah. This is the pack I got. This is what they look like. I put three rows and a half on this eye. So we're gonna do the same on that one. I did this one off camera on my Facebook Live. This is the glue I'm using. It's also by iEnvy. This video is not sponsored, but if y'all want to sponsor my videos, then go ahead and hit my DM. And then you want to use a slanted tweezer. This is also by iEnvy. So this was $10.99 at my local beauty supply store. This was either $1.99 or $2.99. And then the tweezer, I believe, was $4.99. So under $20, get you some bomb individuals. So we're going to take our lash like so. Pick it up like that. Get a nice bead of glue. You want to put them as close to your lid, but not on your lid, like on your eyelash, by your lid, if that makes sense. And you kind of just kind of look down. Listen, y'all, excuse my skin. We getting it together. Judge your mother. And then once I put it on there, I just take my tweezers and kind of push it down. So we're going to do a few more. Then we'll be back when we're finished. Again, pick your lash up. Bead of glue. So when I'm doing it, I kind of do them like sporadically. Like I spread them out. And then I go back and fill in the gaps. So if you have your lashes, you want to take your flat slanted tweezer, pull the lash out, go into your glue, get you a nice bead of glue, like so, and then boom. Then I take this end of my tweezer and I just push it down to make sure it is right there. Okay. Now for my birthday, your girl gonna have to go get her lashes done professionally. I'm gonna need the Ultra Volume Cat Eye all in one. But for now, for filming and Instagram picture purposes, you know, I'm trying to get my content up. We're gonna do our own individuals. So I'll have to keep ripping out my natural lashes with the strips. Because, honey, I'll be ripping them out. I put some strips on, have my makeup on for all of 2 hours. Take it off, snatch the lash off. Eyelashes on the doggone lash. So once that dries, we'll go back and fill in that gap. But listen, honey, you just gotta get them up there. That's why, you know. Boom. Okay, we just popping them in there like bada boop bop. When I'm all done, I'm not going to do my makeup with y'all because last time I did my makeup with y'all, I still didn't even edit that video because that video was 30 minutes. So I'm going to finish this eye. Then we'll come back after I do my makeup with my Facebook Live people. And if y'all want to be tuned into my lives, my Facebook page is Kadeja Corinne, same spelling as my YouTube channel. Go ahead and add as a friend, or hit follow, really, because when you add as a friend, I got a lot of friend requests and I might not see you. I don't really go live on Instagram like that. I gotta get my following back up. When my following, when I was at like, you know, 26K before my other account got hacked, my lives used to be busting. Now my lives don't really bust like that. Well, not on Instagram, and even on Facebook, they're decent, but it's not as much as when I was consistently posting and on social media. But I'm back and I'm better. Whoops, hold on, y'all. We back and we better. Like I was saying, like I'm going to be real consistent this year. I got my little workspace set up. I got me a little whiteboard with my to-do list, my little brainstorming thing, and the videos I'm gonna get up for y'all. I want to do some more pranks and stuff, so let me know what pranks y'all think are like too corny. Like, I don't want to do things just for views. I want to actually make entertaining content that you guys would like to watch. So let me know if you like my channel, you like my content. Please share it with a friend or a family. We already hit 1K, so now we are on the road to 10K. I'm not even going to say 2K, 3K, because that's going to gradually come. We need to hit some big numbers. That one is not sitting right, but when I brush it out with my spoolie, it'll either come out or it'll stick. But like I was saying, y'all, we need to hit some big numbers. So let's go. Hit the like button. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Let me know what y'all want to see. This is my channel, but really it's our channel, because the content I make is for us. Like, I love to do hair, makeup, you know. I love to cook. Y'all see I be cooking my butt off. But y'all are my subscribers, so I need to make content to please you guys as well. So if y'all want to see some more makeup videos, let me know. If y'all want to see some certain recipes, or, you know, a shopping haul, I don't know. Y'all got to let me know what y'all want to see. I do a lot of shopping. Walmart is my favorite store. I ain't too bougie for Walmart, okay? I love Walmart. Y'all want to see a Walmart trip? Y'all just got to let me know what y'all want to see. It looks like y'all like the cooking videos and my kid. Janai's videos normally get a lot of views. So if y'all want to see, like, you know, some mommy-daughter challenges or some food challenges, I just need to know what y'all want to see. My lips looking a little dry, y'all, but it's okay. I did this eye kind of fast. Oh, y'all, and Mama Mia sells lip gloss. We are fully stocked. Fully stocked. So I will show y'all that once I do my makeup and we come back. There's Mama Mia. That is Boss Baby. Boss Baby, say hey.
Hi.
Boss Baby's supposed to be doing homework. She done got kicked out like 3 times, but she don't care. She keep coming back. And she's gone again. She wants her own channel as well, which I'm going to. I actually have her channel already made. I just want to get my content up, get my following going, and then we will drop her channel. I need to learn how to maintain my own first before I start adding channels. Because I'll be like, oh, well, you only posting on the baby channel. You ain't posting on your own channel. So, you know, let me just get a few things together, y'all. I got y'all. I got us, okay? This one is bugging out a little bit. Okay, we're gonna let those dry for a minute, but I just want to show y'all what I do once they're done. I take my spoolie, brush them out, make sure nothing's coming off. I took and added some extra glue along my lash band with the back of my tweezer. I just took some glue and I just added in there just so that they are in there, like they up and they stuck. All right, y'all, we're pretty much almost done with this one. What I do is I lift my eye up like this to see where the gaps are, and then I go in the gaps and fill them in. We're gonna put another one over here. I normally get shorter individuals for in the corner of my eye, but I didn't get none. So I like that like cat eye effect, that like, you know, small into bigger. I normally do small, medium, and long, like small in the beginning, medium in the middle, and then long towards the end to give that cat eye effect. But I bought a 4-pack and just figured like, oh, it'll work itself out. Hold on, because that one does not want to stay. I think that eye said it's had enough. I don't think any more lashes can go up there. Like, look at that. Don't play with her. She is not one of them. I can do anything I put my mind to. Use my own hair, makeup, cook, clean. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, y'all. I'm almost done. We're going to pop a few more in there. We're going to go on Facebook Live and do our makeup. And when I come back, I'll be beat, beautiful, and these curlers will be out. Because I know I'm looking like your granny right now. But it's okay. Bye. All right, y'all. I'm back. And we done. Okay. I feel like this one can use a few more. Let's lift the eye. But we are all done. I think I'm gonna add a few more over here because this side looks fuller than this side. And then it's a little gap right here. So we gonna add a few more lashes over here. Okay, so right here, if you can see, it's like a little gap. We don't like that. So we're going to see if you pull it down. It's like literally right. Wait, because it looks different on camera than in the mirror. I think we could use a few more. Just a few more. That's not real full, but look, y'all. You see that little gap in between it? That is not cute. I even see, that's why I use my mirror and not the phone. I done put some glue on my lid. All right, y'all, but I did my makeup on Facebook Live. If you want to see me do my makeup more often, go follow me on Facebook because that's where I normally do my makeup at. If I'm in a rush, I'll just do it real quick at my vanity, but if I got time to spend, I go live on Facebook so I get my y'all know what I'm trying to say, my content up. But other than that, y'all, we is in there like swimwear. I think I'm gonna pop a few more. Yeah, because that other side is full, but it's like this side is more feathered and I like it. Oh, y'all, I done put the doggone glue on my lid. There's still like a little gap right here. Listen, we're gonna put like 2 more and then we're gonna be done, so I could go ahead and edit this video and get it up for y'all. Y'all leave a comment below, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. I should have finished this before I put my makeup on. I'm not even going nowhere. I just did my makeup to film for you guys and to go live. Might go outside, take a pic, put on a nice little fit. So go on Instagram at Khadijah Corinne. Make sure you go like all my recent pictures. If you came from this video, leave a, I don't know, y'all, a purple heart, a black heart, whatever y'all like. Or just leave a comment. Hey, came from your YouTube. Ooh, this one is tripping. Okay, I'm not gonna put any more. I'm gonna wait until I take all my makeup off and then I'll touch them up. But for some at-home lashes, not bad. Not bad. This one is doing something a little funny. And y'all, me done. My eyeshadow. My lid is creasing a little bit, and that is not cute. Let's touch our lip up real quick. And go in with some Mamma Mia Cosmetics, my baby, my boss baby. Some of her gloss. This is raspberry sorbet. sorbet. I don't know how y'all say it. Sometimes my English be a little weird, so you just gotta excuse me. And then I just want that color like in the middle. You see that? Nice, thick consistency. If you want to order, the link will be in the description below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry. Thank you guys so much. Oh, this one actually tastes really good. I don't mean to eat the gloss, but I do. But it's good because we made them and they're natural. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Because if I stay up here, I just keep talking and rambling and going and going and going and going and going. So bye guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Khadijah Corinne, and we are out.